Apple just did something it long swore it never would. It handed the brain of Siri to its biggest rival. At WWDC this week, the company confirmed the largest AI licensing deal in history. Let's unpack it. 3 threads tonight. First, the Google deal that now powers Siri. Second, the privacy architecture Apple built so your data never leaves its walls. And third, why Apple is suddenly letting Claude and ChatGPT live on your iPhone. On Monday, Apple confirmed the long-delayed Siri rebuild runs on a custom version of Google's Gemini, a model with roughly 1.2 trillion parameters, tuned specifically for Apple. It comes after 2 years of Apple Intelligence stumbles and a Siri overhaul that kept slipping. The price tag is striking. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman pegs it at about $1 billion a year, with analysts estimating the multi-year arrangement could reach $5 billion. It is the biggest AI model licensing deal ever signed. Here's the part Apple wants you to notice. Gemini's weights run inside Apple's own private cloud compute, on hardware-isolated servers Apple controls. Google never sees your prompts, Apple says, and nothing is retained once Siri answers. The model is Google's, the data stays Apple's. Cook framed it as a beginning, not a concession, closing his farewell keynote with a line aimed squarely at the developers in the room. Then came the real surprise. Apple is opening Siri to outside models. Through new AI extensions, you can route requests to Claude or ChatGPT for the first time, turning the iPhone from a walled garden into a neutral platform for AI. And don't miss who else won. For Google, powering Siri means Gemini quietly reaching more than 1 billion Apple devices. A massive distribution coup that deepens the very Apple-Google tie regulators are already probing in the search case. But the rollout has limits. Siri AI arrives in the US in English later this year, then skips the EU and China at launch over the Digital Markets Act and local rules. Investors were uneasy. Apple shares slipped about 2% on the day. So the recap. Apple admitted it couldn't win AI alone, is paying $1 billion a year to fix Siri, wrapped Google's model in its own privacy shield, and turned the iPhone into an open market for AI.